Have you ever wondered over the concept of nothingness? I mean, just imagine for a moment. Imagine a scenario where there's no universe, no Big Bang, no humans, just absolute emptiness. This thought may send a chill down to your spine. But still, let's delve into this enigma that is nothing. So, what is nothing? Is it a void? Is it an absence? Or is it merely a concept that we as beings of matter and energy struggle to grasp? Can nothing truly exist? If nothing exists, then doesn't its existence contradict the very definition of nothing? It becomes something, doesn't it? And what does it mean for something to not exist? Is it merely the absence of physicality, or does it extend beyond our understanding of reality? As we delve deeper into this mystery of nothingness, we find ourselves with more questions than answers. If nothing were to exist, wouldn't that in itself be something? This question has intrigued philosophers and scientists alike for centuries. We find ourselves grappling with the paradoxical nature of nothing. If nothing were truly nothing, then how could it exist? The very concept of nothing seems to contradict our understanding of reality. We live in a world defined by something, by matter and energy, by existence itself. Yet we try to conceive of a reality devoid of all elements, a reality where nothing is default state. Philosophers from the ancient Greeks to modern day thinkers have wrestled with this enigma. Parmenides, one of the pre-Socratic philosophers, argued that nothing does not exist, as existence is a prerequisite for being. The existentialist, on the other hand, proposed that existence precedes essence, suggesting that nothing could potentially exist before it becomes something. But what about scientists? Quantum physicists propose that even in a perfect vacuum, nothing isn't really nothing. Quantum fluctuations still occur, giving rise to particles and antiparticles. Even in the absence of matter and energy, there is still something, even if that something is incredibly elusive and transient. This leads us to an intriguing question: can we even comprehend nothing? Our minds are designed to understand the world through the lens of something. We see, hear, touch, taste, and smell something. So how can we conceive of nothing? And if nothing can have properties like the quantum fluctuation in a vacuum, then doesn't it become something? If we say nothing exists, are we not attributing existence a property to it? And here's a paradoxical twist. If nothing exists, then does everything exist too? If we define everything as the sum of total of all that exists, then nothing, if it exists, must surely be a part of that everything. The concept of nothingness challenges our very understanding of existence. In reality, it's a paradox that continues to perplex us, a riddle where there is no clear answer. But in that uncertainty, we find the beauty of exploring the unknown. Is nothing an absence of something, or is it something more profound? A conundrum that has puzzled thinkers for centuries. Nothing is a paradox in its own, both an absence and a presence. It's the absence of something, yet its more acknowledgement implies its presence. Let's ponder on this. If there is nothing to limit nothing, then doesn't it stretch or infinitely? But if it's infinite, doesn't that make it something? An infinite void, an endless expanse of, well, nothing. Now, is nothing a concept or a reality? We can conceive nothing, but can we truly experience it? Can nothing actually create something? Can an absence birth presence? These questions, as perplexing as they are, animate our intellectual pursuit. The paradox of nothing continues to baffle us, blurring the lines between existence and non-existence. The conundrum remains: if nothing is something, then is there really ever nothing at all? The concept of nothingness is filled with paradoxes and contradictions. We have dived into the abyss of thoughts, grappling with the paradox that if nothing existed, then nothing itself would be something. We have contemplated the void, the absence of the universe, the Big Bang, and even the absence of emptiness itself. We have questioned the infinite paradox, the enigma of infinity, and the potential of nothing being infinitely nothing. These questions and theories push the boundaries of our understanding and invite us to explore the mysteries and complexities surrounding the concept of nothing. They challenge our perceptions of existence and non-existence and compel us to question our own understanding of reality. In this cerebral journey, we have come to realize that nothing is not just the absence of something, but a concept of space for possibility and paradoxes. In the end, the question remains: can nothing truly exist, or is nothing just another form of something?